Same to you. You're very kind. Your parents should be proud of you. Thank you. Don't you have eyes? Get out of my way! Oh, I'm sorry, madam. What's wrong with that old lady? Where is Jess going now? Hey, Dora. I'm sorry for coming late. What happened to you, buddy? I had to take 2 taxis to be here. Why? The first taxi driver was driving like there was something chasing him, so I insisted on getting out of that car. The second driver drove as slowly as a snail, but I couldn't do anything about it. Poor you, Jess. Come on, let's go shopping. What do you want to buy? Oh, I want to buy some towels and a new shampoo. Okay, I don't know much about towels, but I can definitely help you pick the right shampoo for that beautiful brown curly hair. Thank you, buddy. By the way, what did they ask you in the interview? Not too much. They asked about my working experiences and my future plan. Oh, future plan. What did you say? I said I just wanted to follow the career of a reporter since it's my passion. On point. How about you, Jess? Have you ever thought about doing anything else if you don't do modeling? I haven't thought about it. However, I think I might be a good housewife or a good mom. Yes, that's right. Here comes the personal hygiene area. Wow, the supermarket here is just so big, spacious. We don't have so many big supermarkets like this in Boston. In New York, supermarkets are always divided into sections, such as the bakery, dairy, produce like fruits and vegetables, frozens, meat, and the deli. We also have a general grocery section where one can find packaged goods, cleaning supplies, and personal hygiene items. Deli? What does that section sell? That section sells ready-to-eat food products, such as cooked meats and prepared salads. Oh, okay. I get it now. I don't think people categorize food like this in my hometown. We're at the general grocery section, so we can buy you some good quality towels and shampoo. Yes, let me see. I think I'll take this pack. Good choice. Let's go find you a nice shampoo. Look at that! It's an aisle of hair products. You found it. This is my favorite product. You should try it. Ooh, natural ingredients. Grapefruit smell. I love it. Okay, let's go to the checkout. The pork is not that fresh. Sorry, madam. That's all we have. Thank you for your feedback. Your total bill is $102.50. Hold on! You young people never know the value of patience. I just have $100. What should I do? I'm sorry, you have to put something back. No, I need to buy all of those. I'll pay for her. She's short $2.50, correct? Yes, that's right. Thank you, young girl. I don't know what to say. I'm so sorry for yelling at you at the entrance. Old lady, don't worry about it. I hope you have a nice day. Same to you. You're very kind. Your parents should be proud of you. Thank you. Please place all your products here. Yes. Your bill is $57.50. And that adds the $2.50, so it'll be $60. Do you pay in cash or with your card? I'll pay in cash. Here it is. I've got your $60. Thank you for choosing K&K. We wish you two a nice day. Thanks. Did that old lady shout at you? Yes, she did. She told me to get out of her way. Old people are grumpy and mean sometimes. They are, but she reminded me of my granny. Aw, Dora, you're just too good for this world. Why didn't you buy anything, Jess? I'm saving for a new pair of boots. You know I can't live without being pretty, right? I bet you can't. But I bet you can tell me about those boots. Oh, they're a part of my favorite fashion designer's autumn collection. The black feather boots with honey-colored stripes. Wow, that sounds very well matched for you. Yes. Oh, our taxi is here. Let's head home, Dora. I'll be pleased to do so. I'm so hungry now. You are? My stomach is screaming for food now. Let's get going then. Home sweet home. Yeah. I miss our sofa. It's just so soft and comfy. Dora, what do you want to have for dinner? I guess we can cook some Italian spaghetti, since we have beef, pasta, tomato sauce, and everything we need to make a perfect spaghetti dish. Oh, guess who is good at cooking now? Thank you, Jess, for realizing. I've learned those things you taught me, my friend. You're such a fast learner, Dora. Now I need you to mince the beef and make some meatballs. I'll take care of the pasta. Yes, ma'am. I can do it like shooting fish in a barrel. You mean making meatballs is easy, right? Yes, shooting fish in a barrel means doing something easily. In Boston, we have a lot of docks and harbors. We eat fish almost every single day. So we have that expression. That is very interesting to know, Dora. Oh, on an unrelated note, Jess, how's Mike doing? I haven't seen him here for nearly a week now. He's on a business trip in Texas. Did you know that in Texas, people eat fried butter? They do? Fried butter? Doesn't sound any good. Mike told me so. He hasn't got the gut to try it yet. But I bet he will since he's flying back to New York tomorrow. And I know Mike. He's such a taster. People said you will never know if you don't try it, right? Indeed.